Welcome back to Discovery X. Today we're taking you into the mysterious depths of the ocean, a world teeming with life and wonder. From shimmering coral reefs to the darkest reaches of the deep, we'll explore the incredible creatures that call the sea their home. Get ready to uncover the secrets of the blue frontier and witness the breathtaking beauty of the underwater world. Let's dive in. The ocean, a vast expanse covering over 70% of our planet, is home to a breathtaking variety of creatures, each uniquely adapted to its underwater environment. From the surface waters to the deepest trenches, marine life thrives in forms and behaviors that captivate scientists and explorers alike. At the heart of ocean ecosystems are the microscopic phytoplankton and zooplankton, the unsung heroes of the marine food chain. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, are the foundation of life in the ocean, supporting an entire web of creatures. They are consumed by krill and small fish, which in turn feed larger predators, demonstrating the intricate balance of oceanic ecosystems. Moving beyond the microscopic, the vibrant coral reefs stand as monuments of biodiversity. These underwater metropolises host thousands of species, from the clownfish darting through anemones to the parrotfish that grind corals into fine sand. Reef sharks patrol these areas, maintaining balance by preying on weaker or sickly fish, ensuring the health of the ecosystem. Corals themselves, though appearing as lifeless rocks, are living organisms that form symbiotic relationships with algae, a collaboration that supports countless marine species. In the open ocean, creatures of speed and agility dominate. Tuna, swordfish, and marlin are among the fastest swimmers, their streamlined bodies designed for rapid movement in pursuit of prey. Dolphins, highly intelligent and social, use complex vocalizations and echolocation to communicate and hunt with remarkable precision. Oceanic sunfish, or mola mola, the heaviest bony fish, float near the surface, often accompanied by seabirds and smaller fish that feed on the parasites clinging to their massive bodies. Below these sunlit waters lies the twilight zone, a realm of mystery and bioluminescence. Creatures like the lanternfish illuminate the darkness with their natural lights, a phenomenon that aids in communication and evasion of predators. The anglerfish, with its glowing lure, exemplifies the ingenuity of evolution in adapting to the dim, high-pressure conditions of the mesopelagic zone. This region also houses strange Jellyfish found across all ocean zones vary from harmless drifters to deadly predators. The box jellyfish, one of the most venomous creatures in the world, patrols the tropical waters, while the massive lion's mane jellyfish can reach lengths of up to 120 feet, making it one of the longest animals on Earth. Sea turtles, ancient mariners of the oceans, migrate thousands of miles between feeding and nesting grounds, facing numerous challenges from natural predators to human activities. The ocean floor itself is alive with strange and wonderful creatures. Crabs, starfish, and sea cucumbers scuttle and crawl across the sediment, playing vital roles in recycling nutrients. The pearlfish, with its bizarre habit of living inside sea cucumbers, showcases the unusual survival strategies found in these depths. Ocean creatures are not only fascinating but also critical to the planet's health. Their roles in carbon cycling, oxygen production, and food web stability emphasize their importance beyond the The diversity of ocean creatures extends to some of the most bizarre and fascinating forms of life, showcasing extraordinary adaptations that have evolved over millions of years. Take the mantis shrimp, for example, a small but mighty predator with a punch so powerful that it can break through the shells of crabs or even shatter aquarium glass. With one of the most complex visual systems known in the animal kingdom, mantis shrimp can detect polarized light and see colors far beyond human perception, making their underwater world more vibrant than we could ever imagine. Another marvel of the ocean is the Portuguese man-o-war, often mistaken for a jellyfish, but actually a siphonophore, a colonial organism made up of specialized individual animals working together. Its tentacles, which can extend up to 165 feet, deliver a venomous sting capable of paralyzing fish and deterring predators. On the ocean floor, creatures have developed remarkable strategies to survive in environments often devoid of sunlight and food. The bobbit worm, for instance, is a predatory polychaete worm that buries itself in sediment with only its sharp jaws exposed, waiting to ambush passing prey. Its lightning-fast strike can sever fish in half, making it one of the most fearsome predators in its ecosystem, despite its relatively small size. Equally fascinating are the feather stars, ancient relatives of sea stars, which use their feathery arms to filter plankton from the water. These graceful creatures anchor themselves to the seafloor or float with the currents, demonstrating the ocean's blend of beauty and function. Marine camouflage is another astonishing phenomenon. Creatures like the leafy sea dragon and the weedy sea dragon are masters of disguise, blending seamlessly with underwater vegetation to avoid predators. Similarly, the cuttlefish and octopus possess chromatophores, specialized skin cells that allow them to change color, texture, and even pattern within seconds. This not only helps them avoid detection, but also enables them to communicate and hunt effectively. Mimicry takes on another level in the mimic octopus, which can imitate the shape and behavior of other sea creatures, such as lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish, to scare off predators or trick prey. In the midwaters, schooling behavior becomes a critical survival strategy for many fish species, such as sardines, herring, and anchovies. These fish move in synchronized patterns, creating a shimmering spectacle that confuses predators and increases their chances of survival. This behavior highlights the ocean's incredible examples of cooperation and collective intelligence. Apex predators like barracudas and yellowfin tuna often hunt these schools in coordinated attacks, showcasing their speed and precision. Meanwhile, creatures like the sailfish and swordfish use their specialized anatomy, such as elongated pointed bills, to slash through schools of fish, stunning or injuring their prey before consuming them. One of the most intriguing and elusive creatures of the ocean is the giant squid. Rarely seen alive, this deep-sea giant can grow up to 43 feet in length, with eyes the size of dinner plates, some of the largest in the animal kingdom. These eyes allow the squid to detect faint light in the depths, helping it navigate and hunt in its dark environment. Despite its size, the giant squid is preyed upon by sperm whales, leading to epic battles between these titans of the deep. Another remarkable inhabitant of the deep is the vampire squid, a small but enigmatic creature with a name that belies its gentle nature. Unlike its predatory relatives, the vampire squid feeds on marine snow, organic debris that drifts down from the upper layers of the ocean. Its ability to survive in oxygen-depleted environments, thanks to its efficient respiratory system, makes it a master of the deep sea's challenging conditions. Similarly, the fang-toothed fish, with its disproportionately large teeth and menacing appearance, thrives in the depths, relying on its heightened sense of smell and lateral line system to detect prey in near total darkness. Marine reptiles also make their mark in the oceans, particularly the sea snakes and marine iguanas. Sea snakes, found primarily in the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, are among the most venomous snakes on Earth. Despite their potent venom, they are generally non-aggressive and rely on their flattened tails for swimming and their specialized lungs to remain submerged for extended periods. The marine iguanas of the Galapagos Islands, on the other hand, are unique among lizards for their ability to forage underwater, grazing on algae and other marine vegetation. These reptiles showcase the remarkable adaptability of life as it transitions between land and sea. Among the ocean's many oddities are the gelatinous creatures that drift through the currents. Comb jellies, unrelated to true jellyfish, use rows of tiny beating cilia to move gracefully through the water, their translucent bodies refracting light in a mesmerizing display. Salps, barrel-shaped tunicates, form long chains as they filter plankton from the water, playing a significant role in carbon cycling by transporting carbon to the deep sea. Even more bizarre are the pelagic sea cucumbers, which float through the water column rather than crawl along the sea floor, showcasing the ocean's boundless capacity for diversity. The ocean's largest creatures continue to inspire awe and wonder. The humpback whale, known for its haunting songs, performs acrobatic breaches and tail slaps, behaviors that scientists believe may play roles in communication, mating, or simply